guys, so I've actually gone and bought myself a new car, and I would have given you like the whole thing, like a video about going up and getting it and stuff, but it was so boring and so long. So it actually took in total for me and my boyfriend 10 hours to go and get this car. But enough of talking, I'm gonna show you around the car, and if you've got any tips, any mods that you think would look nice, open to everything. So yeah, let me show you around.